Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You're starting a reset now. First, confirm the router model and that it's powered on with a steady LED. You should write down your Wi-Fi name, password, and any static IP settings because factory reset erases them. Decide whether you need a soft reboot or a full factory reset. Soft reboots often solve glitches, while factory restores defaults. Once ready, locate the small reset pinhole on the router and keep a paperclip or SIM tool handy. Now perform the factory reset step by step. Insert the paperclip into the pinhole and press firmly for 10 to 15 seconds. You'll feel the button depress. Watch the LED closely. Blinking or pulsing patterns show the router is erasing settings, and this can take a minute. Release the button when the LED shows the indicated pattern or becomes solid. Then be patient and allow 5 to 10 minutes for the router to fully restart and apply defaults. Make sure power remains uninterrupted during this time. Once the router restarts, open the Google Home app to set up your network. You'll be guided to name the Wi-Fi and create a password. Re-enter any saved static IP or port forwarding details because factory reset removed them. If the app can't find the device, power cycle both modem and router, wait 30 seconds and try again. Sometimes a second reset fixes firmware hiccups. If problems persist, take a photo of the LED behavior and contact support. Having that detail speeds diagnosis.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.